Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce you to my new type of IELTS essay, advantages outweigh disadvantages essay. As you know, this is an essay writing course in particular for IELTS and TOEFL exams and in general for any kind of English language exam. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. And subscribe and press bell icon to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. As you can see, this is an overview of my my essay writing course. I have started from 4 assessment criteria, then general videos about time management, planning, essay, paraphrasing, writing introductions, conclusions, topic sentences, types of essay, and many more videos. Then I would go for each type of essay. We are at this number 3rd, do advantages outweigh disadvantages essay. I would teach you all of these types. I would write more than 15 model essays with explanations and complete step-by-step guide. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. So the question is, being a celebrity such as a famous film star or sports personality brings problems as well as benefits. Brings problems as well as benefits, mean advantages and disadvantages. Do you think that being a celebrity brings more advantages, more benefits or more problems? In simple words, do advantages outweigh disadvantages? So they are using different words, but at the end it is same question as do advantages. For example, in other words, you can say advantages of being a celebrity outweigh its disadvantages. They they put these words, they don't put outweigh or these kind of words here, so that you can use in your own essay also, because so advantages and disadvantages, this is not a simple essay. This is do advantages outweigh disadvantages. This is these types of essay not like simple advantages, disadvantages. Here we need to give our own opinion also, not just need to write advantages and disadvantages. Here we need to give our own opinion also, whether there are more advantages or more disadvantages. We have to mention whether there are more advantages or more disadvantages. We have to give this opinion to the examiner to achieve high and task achievement. So let us discuss what how we would start. First of all, we would underline keywords. After underlining keywords, we would brainstorm our ideas. We would on the question paper just put a line in the center, and at the one side write advantages, at the other side write disadvantages. Then put advantage 1 2 3 and the disadvantages 1 2 3. After brainstorming, we need to decide whether there are more advantages or more disadvantages. First of all, you need to brainstorm and then decide in your opinion whether there are more advantages or disadvantages. But if you in reality, if you think there are more disadvantages, but when brainstorming, your ideas that are in advantages are very good and you can expand and that are easy to expand, and where you can use very good vocabulary. So choose the opinion, the side that you think you could write well, not yet that you could in reality you agree or disagree, or you think there are more advantages or disadvantages. Choose the side that you think that you can write better. Okay, if you choose more advantages than disadvantages, then your essay structure would look like this. First of all, you would like introduction, and then you would write body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1, you would write opposite view. For example, your opinion is that there are more advantages, so the opposite is disadvantages. So in body paragraph 1, you would write disadvantages. Body paragraph 1 is about opposite view, disadvantages, and in body paragraph 2 you would like your own view that you think that there are more advantages, so you should write advantages in body paragraph 2 and then write your conclusion. This is an structure of your essay. If you think that there are more disadvantages than advantages, then you would write introduction first, then in your body paragraph first you would write opposite opinion, opposite view, that is advantages in this case, in that case, and your body paragraph 2 would be your opinion, and this case would be more disadvantages. If you think that there are more disadvantages would be at the second place and advantages would be at the first place. And this is how you should organize your essay. If your opinion is more disadvantages, as I told you, then first body paragraph would be about advantages and the second body paragraph would be about disadvantages, because here your opinion is more disadvantage, there are more disadvantages. How to write introduction? First of all, you need to write a background statement. First of all, write the background statement, then paraphrase the question and mention your main ideas in the opposite opinion. Background statement is very easy, as you already know how to write background statement. Then paraphrase the question. As you know, there is a complete video in my grammar course how to paraphrase question. Then paraphrase the question and mention your main ideas in the opposite opinion, and then give your opinion and I mention your side also. I would teach you when I would write a model essay, I would teach you in detail. For example, background statement. First of all, there would be a background statement, then comma, then so for full stop, then you would write while, although or despite. You can use any of them. It would depend upon you what would be better for you, while, although or despite. Then you would add on opposite opinion. Give the opposite opinion, mention some of the main ideas you are going to discuss in the opposite opinion, and then write your opinion. What is your opinion? Do you think in my opinion advantages outweigh disadvantages, or in my opinion there are more advantages than disadvantages, or in my opinion there are more benefits than drawbacks? Something like that you can write in the introduction. You can say I believe, I agree that advantages of something outweigh its disadvantages. If you disagree with any statement with the question, if you disagree, instead of only saying I disagree, instead of saying I disagree that advantages outweigh disadvantage, you can say I don't believe, or instead of saying opposite, you can say I don't believe, or I don't agree that, or you can say I disagree, I don't believe that advantages outweigh disadvantages. Instead of saying there are more disadvantages than advantages, you can say in this way, there are that advantages of dash, I don't believe that advantages of something outweigh its disadvantages. Or you can say I believe or agree that advantages outweigh disadvantages. So here you can change order of these things. So for example, let me give you example. If you say I believe, I agree that there are more advantages than disadvantages, and the other I don't believe, I don't agree that, and now we would, now as you are using negative here, you would use disadvantages first. I don't agree that disadvantages outweigh the advantages. Okay, advantages. I would teach you in detail how to write a conclusion and how to write introductions. For conclusion, you need to read a transition signal, then summarize both sides and restate your opinion. In conclusion, although, even though, while, plus summarize opposite opinion, then summarize your own side what you have said. I will write a complete essay and I would teach you. Then write therefore and restate your opinion. I would teach you in detail in my model essay. In conclusion, comma, although, even though, or while, write any of them. Only one, not write the three, three of them. Summarize your opposite side and then summarize your own side, and then therefore and restate your opinion as you do, and discuss both sides and give your opinion essays. I would start my writing correction service in last 6 months of 2021. I am nowadays busy. I would hire an expert from UK, and we would work together to provide you advanced, comprehensive and cheap writing correction service. This is my Facebook ID, this one. Send me a friend request. Also join my Facebook group for more updates and for more guidance. At the end, please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them. And press bell icon, this one, and subscribe to my channel to get more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.